How to easily import a list into Constant Contact. I absolutely love how this platform manages contacts. Definitely very user friendly, and I love the way we're able to manage lists and how it handles duplicates. So here we're just going to go to add contacts. Now you can type in a contact, type in or paste contacts, upload from a file, etc., etc. We're going to upload from a file. So I've already exported my file. So you can see here you can export in Excel, in CSV, in text, all the standards. We're going to browse. We're going to find the file. I want to import this one, Lori Ballen blog. I'm going to click open. Now what you want to do is go ahead and have your lists segmented if you can. Already have your list spelled out as to what you want to import into. It just makes it easier. All right, so here, select field. Now, let's say this one, the Lori Ballen blog, I don't want to match that. So I'm just going to skip that column. Now, first name and last names, you will need to split those. I do have a video somewhere on how to split those in a spreadsheet first, but you want to go ahead and split those if you want to have them go into two separate fields. In my case right now, I'll just show you. We're just going to put them in the first name field. And email list goes here. Selective sign up, I don't need that one, so we're going to skip that column, skip that column, skip that column. I'm going to keep my IP address. I'm not going to worry about their location. Now what you do is if there is if there's one that you want to go into a new field, you just scroll down here to create custom new field, and you can add whatever field you want. And I found that very easy. You don't have to leave here to go set up a field first, okay? And some of these, you may have duplicate field types from your old import coming in. And in this case, so it says region, I'm going to skip that column. City, yes. Country, I'm going to skip that one. Postal code, let's go ahead and match that one. Almost done. We're going to skip that one. Skip the time zone. Tags. Now this does not import correctly, but here's what I noticed. It would if I had already created the tag. So you'd have to go back and create that tag for them to match. So create the tag first, Lori_Ballen_blog, and then match it. Otherwise, I went ahead and added these all to my list, and then I went in and just applied a tag. Okay, just so that you know. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Skip column. Birth date. Yes, I want that. Birthday. City. So that one's not populating yet because it's using another field. So I'm going to skip that one. Okay, now click continue. Now you can pick the list. So I am going to go ahead and put them into this list I already have, into Lori Ballen Associates. By importing, you're saying you have explicit permission to email them. And you do want to be cautious because if you don't have permission, you get a high spam alert, you get shut down. And then I'm going to click upload. All right, and you can see that it's importing. It actually imports very quickly. And once these import, I'll show you where they show up. There you go, boom, 414 imported. So now we can just go over to our contacts, and we can go to our list, Lori Ballen Associates, and then we can sort these. Okay, so in my case, it looks like I had already imported that list because I don't have a bunch of new ones. So I had already imported that. Otherwise, they would be showing up on the top there. So if you were really concerned about that tag, again, you want to make sure you add your tag first so that those tags match. Otherwise, you can import these into a list called like new import, just to be safe. You can import it into the new import list, right? And then you can tag everybody, get them all set up. And then what you could actually do is highlight them all, and then you can add them to a different list and then delete your import list. That's another way to do it if you wanted to do it that way. But anyway, that's how to super easily import your lists into Constant Contact.